Did you know that police from one state can arrive at your place in another state over a social media post? Well, that's exactly what happened with Sharmishtha Panoli. Now, Sharmishtha Panoli was a 22-year-old law student. She was studying in Pune and she was arrested by the Kolkata police in Gurugram, Haryana. So, a lot of different jurisdictions involved. But if you dig deeper, you will start to wonder, why did Kolkata police travel thousands of kilometers to Gurugram to arrest a 22-year-old girl? She was not a terrorist. She did make some allegedly made some derogatory remarks against Islam or Prophet Muhammad, but Kolkata police could have asked the Haryana police to arrest her. Why didn't Haryana police itself arrest her? And what are the legal requirements? Is it like normal for police to travel through the jurisdictions, through states, cross boundaries and arrest normal people, normal individuals? What are the legal requirements that Kolkata police was required to fulfill? And thirdly, I also want you to think about, why is she now out on bail? Because we already know that she is the one who posted the video and we all have heard it. It is prima facie derogatory on Islam and Prophet Muhammad. So how did she manage to get the bail? What was her defense in the court? So all of this we will discuss one by one. And hi, you are watching Legal Eye and I am your advocate friend. So let's get started. Now, since the root of this issue is the video that Sharmishtha posted, so let's start from that very date. The date is 14th May 2025. Operation Sindoor had happened. A Pakistani user had written something in bad taste about it. So Sharmishtha replied. And in that reply, she allegedly made some derogatory remarks on Prophet Muhammad and Islam. This caused controversy and backlash. Realizing this, on the very next day, that is 15th May 2025, she deleted the video, issued a public apology, non-conditional, she did not put any condition, and issued a public apology. And thirdly, she and her father claim that they visited the police headquarters in Kolkata. Now, this third claim I'm talking about, the visiting of her and her father at police headquarters, is refuted, is not being agreed by the police. In fact, the Kolkata police claims up till 18th May 2025, they tried to serve legal notice to Sharmishtha multiple times, but she was never found at her home, so they declared her absconding. Now, since they claim that Sharmishtha is absconding, that is, she has run away from her residence, they can now search for her throughout the country, in the entire nation. And hence, on the night of 30th May 2025, they finally arrested her in Gurugram, Haryana. Now, Sharmishtha and her father filed for a bail application, interim bail application, in the High Court of Kolkata. On 3rd June 2025, the bail was rejected because the judge claimed that the right to freedom of speech is not absolute and is liable to be restricted. But later on 5th June 2025, a different bench of the same High Court allowed Sharmishtha on interim bail, but it placed certain conditions like security should be taken care of, she deposited 10,000 rupees as bail amount, and that she cannot leave India without the permission of the court. Now that you all are apprised with the events that occurred, let's talk about the legal framework in which the police can cross the boundaries of the state and arrest a person. So 3 things should be kept in mind. First, the offense has to be cognizable offense. What is cognizable offense? You can check out my A to Z series, C for cognizance I've taught. Basically, understand, in cognizable offense, the police has the power to arrest without warrant. These are serious offenses. So in that case, the police can arrest without warrant and can search for that person throughout the country. So first, But the thing is, this offence of Sharmishtha Panoli is non-cognizable. So in such a case, for Kolkata police to come to Haryana, it needed the permission of the magistrate. Now second, even if it is a cognizable offence and the person is travelling, say, from Kolkata to Gurugram, so you need the permission of the local magistrate or the local police. That is, the Gurugram police, the Gurugram magistrate has to be aware that such and such thing is going to happen in my area, because they are responsible for the law and order situation there. The third is that the documentation and the arrest memo should be in order. Well, this is true for all kinds of arrest, whether inside the state or outside the state, but all of these three conditions must be met. Why all of these three conditions matter is that the arrest is legal only if these three conditions are met. If these are not met, then the arrest itself is illegal and she will be out of jail. Now, in the interim bail application hearing, which occurred in the High Court of Calcutta, this was the debate between the Sharmishtha Panoli lawyer and the prosecution. Now, the lawyer of Sharmishtha Panoli claims that the girl and the father visited the headquarters of Kolkata police on 15th May, and they have the visitor's slip. They presented it. The police claims that they did not visit. We were searching for them. We tried to serve the notice, legal notice, but she was never available. So they did not cooperate. The girl and the father and the family did not cooperate at all. This is the police claim. Now, second point of contention is that the defense lawyer claims that the offense of hurting the religious sentiments is not a serious offense. It is a non-cognizable offense. So why did the police travel all the way and arrest her? While the police claims because of the non-coordination of the family and the girl, we had to travel and arrest her. The third and last point of contention between the two parties, that this party, Sharmishtha's party, claims that the warrant did not have the reasons of arrest, which is required. This is a legal mandate. While the police claims that the warrant was a legal one and we did provide the warrant and the reasons for arrest. Now, after hearing both the parties, the High Court concluded that definitely there is prima facie evidence of procedural lapses, and secondly that the accused, that is Sharmishtha Panoli, is not a flight risk. That is, there is low chance of her running away beyond the boundaries of Indian subcontinent. So let's give her the interim bail and continue with the case hearings. So she is not acquitted, she is not innocent as of now, but she can be on bail outside the jail and with her family until the case concludes whether she is guilty or innocent. And that's it. This is everything that has unfolded so far. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the comments that Sharmishtha made, and was this arrest fair or a bit of an overreach? And see you in the next video. Bye.